Hi, I'm Shivani, the IELTS trainer. IELTS, International English Language Testing System, is an exam which is accepted by 143 countries across the world. The students who are looking for student visa have to take academic IELTS, whereas students who are looking for PR or LMIA have to go with journal IELTS. IELTS is an exam which is important from the perspective of professional development. Since we are going from a Hindi native country to an English native country, it speaks about the proficiency of the language. IELTS is divided into 4 sections which are known as modules. Reading module. Here we have 1 hour and we have 40 questions with 3 unseen passages in the academic IELTS. There are 6 types of questions which are tested into the exam. We have the writing module, which is divided into 2 segments, which is task 1 and task 2. Task 1, you get a lot of graphs where you have to document it into 150 words. Similarly, task 2 will get an essay. For example, do's and don't essay, problem solution essay, problem cause solution essay, discussion based essay, opinion based essay, and so on. Here we have to write into 250 words and explain the essay. Third thing is your speaking module, which is for 11 to 15 minutes, which is again divided into 3 parts. The introductory part, which has the basic question. For example, describe about yourself, questions related to whether you are a student or working professional, and so on. Then there is a cue card where there is a written question where you get 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak on the cue card. And the third is the follow-up questions on the cue card. So speaking section is normally for 11 to 15 minutes, which is basically recording. Then comes the listening module where you hear an audio. So it is for half an hour. There are 4 audios which you hear back to back with a gap of 5 seconds, and each audio has 10 questions. So there are 40 questions which are related to map related diagrams, or you have to explain those. So we work on those modules. Come for the diagnostic test at Janakpuri West and have 1 demo session so that you get a feel-good factor of the IELTS exam. Thank you.
Grace International.
Connecting life and learning.